How to delete contact in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me BPN Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your contact in Telegram. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. If you just want to delete your contact in Telegram, you want to first open up Telegram. Now here you'll find your contacts, right? You can head into three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on contacts option, and you'll be able to see your contacts here. And in my case, I haven't accessed anyone, but I'll just allow it for such case. So now here you can see my contacts. Now what you want to do is you want to tap and open up the chat of the person that you wish to delete the contact. I'll just open up this, and what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile or the last scene or the name that will show up at the top. And once you tap on it, once you open this up, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll get the option that says delete contact. Simply tap on it and tap on delete, and this contact will be deleted. So this way you can delete your contacts in Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.